Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, huh? Yeah. Cleaning that drawer out for Dad? He doesn't need all those sockets in there, does he? Where are you going with that? Can you give that to Daddy? Oh. The little whirly bird out of there. Were you going to throw the garbage away and then put the socket back over here, huh? You're so smart. Thank you. Oh, that kid kills me. Couple more in there, huh?
Let go.
Yeah. Thank you. You want me just to hold it? Oh, thank you. Huh? Thank you. No, you want to set it in there? Okay. I'll make sure it doesn't fall out. Yeah, I'll make sure that doesn't fall out. Couple more, man. Getting a wedgie, buddy? Alright, let's go work on something, huh?